because I'd been in the classical world, I never really felt like what I was doing was really that important, because there's always somebody who's there behind you, like ready to take your spot. Like, if you don't have the goods, get off the stage, because there's somebody who's like ready to like replace you. That doesn't exist to a great degree in Yiddish. If you're there and you're ready to go and you're ready to give yourself over to what you're doing, there are people who are there who are ready to hear you and to give you their opinion, which is a little scary, but after a while you get used to it. But the other thing is that Yiddish audiences really want to interact with you as a person, as somebody doing something in Yiddish. I mean, I did a performance for the Ashkenaz Festival, and I was up there and I was singing these songs, I was kind of telling these little silly stories about my life like I'm telling you now, and people just started screaming out questions like when did you become a Jew, and how did you learn your Yiddish, and you have a good Yiddish accent, like where did you get it from, and like tell us more. It was like they really wanted to know about me, and at first I was like a little freaked out because I'm used to having like that level of interaction with my audience, but I'm like, this is like what I signed up for. Like, this is what I do. Like, people want to know about me and my life in Yiddish. So I totally gave myself over to them, and that's kind of how it is. And, you know, it's like, it's different in Yiddish. Like, how do I put it? Well, if you're singing an opera, and you have some diction issues, like you're not doing very well with the language, a diction person, or a person who's sung the role, will approach you maybe and say like, it wasn't so good, let me give you some pointers. In Yiddish, every single person who's ever heard Yiddish, who ever spoke in Yiddish, or who ever knew someone who spoke in Yiddish, has an opinion about how it should go, and they're like waiting for you at the bottom of the stage when you're done singing to tell you exactly like what you should do and how you should do it, which is like crazy. But then it's, in a way, it's like great too, because it's like they're your family. Like, they really want you to do a good job. They're trying to help you. That's what they're trying to do. They want you to do a good job. They want you to have a relationship with them and their experience. And by giving you a part of their experience, they're giving you a part of themselves. And that's why I think performing for Yiddish audiences has been absolutely unparalleled in my performance experience.